Wasn't fed love on a silver spoon, so I learned to lick it off knives. Paint spilled on my clothes, I made a mess every time. Do I deserve a home if being alone is what I accept? Depressing unwanted, shoes scattered from neglect, mine never fit others. I pledge to make you feel better, purple storms keep me alert. Know we awoke, a lot of bodies in the dirt. Graveyard be the richest place, all on the earth. Ideas, plans, art that never saw the surface of purpose. Faces on shirts that forgot to smile. I understand some people's pain might just last a while. Maybe flying gave you freedom, maybe trying gave you wisdom, maybe lying gave you rest. Maybe those long years are my compass. Maybe times that were hard, they were content. Don't speak on my name without the context. All the nights sleeping out, I felt abandoned. All the moments kept my head up for the season. Threw me out and hurt my soul for no reason. Only thing, if I'm honest, that I needed was y'all. Yeah.
I only saw one way to save me. CDs, IG, playlists, and